Greetings, financial enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Welcome to Houseel Lux Estate, your one-stop source for all things financial. We are here to shed light on the intricate world of finance, making it accessible and exciting for everyone. With a blend of expert insights and practical advice, we aim to empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your money. Today, we're diving into a topic that's increasingly relevant in our rapidly evolving world: why financial literacy matters more than ever. We'll explore the importance of understanding financial concepts and how it affects every aspect of your life, from managing personal finances to making strategic business decisions. We believe that financial literacy is not just about numbers, but about understanding the larger economic context and making sound decisions within it. So, without further ado, let's delve into the significance of financial literacy in today's world. First things first, what exactly do we mean when we say financial literacy? In essence, financial literacy refers to the understanding of various financial areas. This knowledge allows an individual to make informed and effective decisions with their financial resources. It's a skill that helps you navigate through life's financial journey, from earning to spending, saving, investing, and even giving. Let's break it down a bit. Financial literacy encompasses a wide range of topics, but the foundation lies in a few key areas. Firstly, budgeting. It's the process of creating a plan to spend your money. This spending plan or budget allows you to determine in advance whether you will have enough money to do the things you need or would like to do. It's not about restricting what you spend, but about helping you spend without guilt or regret. Next up is understanding interest rates. Interest rates are a core aspect of finance that affects everything from your savings account to your mortgage loan. To put it simply, it's the cost you pay for borrowing money, or conversely, the reward you get for saving money. Lastly, managing debt. Debt is a reality for most people. It's not inherently bad, but it's crucial to manage it effectively. This means understanding the terms of your loans, making consistent payments, and avoiding unnecessary debt whenever possible. These basic skills are not just for the Wall Street wizards or Silicon Valley tycoons. They are for everyone. Whether you're a student, a homemaker, an entrepreneur, or a retiree, understanding these principles can help you make the most of your money. So, why is financial literacy important? Because it impacts every part of your life. It affects your ability to provide for yourself and your family, your attitude towards money and investment, and your contribution to the economy. So, as you can see, financial literacy isn't just about big business. It's about understanding and managing your personal finances too. Now that we've covered the basics, you might be wondering, why is financial literacy so important? Well, imagine you're in a forest with two paths. One path leads to a comfortable cabin, and the other to a wilderness full of unknowns. Financial literacy is like having a map to navigate these paths. It's the knowledge that guides you towards the cabin, a symbol of financial security and stability. When you're financially literate, you're equipped with the tools to make sound decisions, whether it's buying a house, planning for retirement, or simply managing day-to-day expenses. You're able to interpret financial information, assess risks and opportunities, and make informed choices. It's like having a financial compass, always pointing towards the best decisions for your unique circumstances. Conversely, the lack of financial literacy can lead to a wilderness of confusion and uncertainty. It can result in high levels of debt, lack of savings, and financial stress. Without the right knowledge, you may find yourself lost in a maze of complex financial products, unable to make the best choices for your future. Imagine being faced with the decision of taking on a mortgage. Without financial literacy, you might not fully understand the terms of your loan, the implications of interest rates, or the impact of missing a payment. This could lead you down a path of financial strain, potentially resulting in foreclosure or bankruptcy. Similarly, when planning for retirement, financial literacy becomes even more crucial. It's about understanding how to save, invest, and grow your money over time. Without this knowledge, you could find yourself with insufficient funds in your golden years, a time when you should be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Financial literacy also plays a vital role in bridging the wealth gap. It empowers individuals and communities by providing them with the knowledge to make smart financial decisions, fostering economic growth and social mobility. So, it's clear that financial literacy is more than just understanding numbers. It's about making informed decisions that will shape your life's journey, helping you avoid financial pitfalls and navigate towards a secure and comfortable future. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about making money, it's about making informed decisions that can positively impact your life. In this digital age, financial literacy has taken on a whole new level of importance. Our financial landscape is evolving at a rapid pace, morphing into a digital realm that is as complex as it is convenient. We've bid farewell to the days of physical money and welcomed an era of online banking, digital currencies, and investment apps. Online banking has revolutionized the way we manage our money. Transactions that once required a trip to the bank now take mere seconds from the comfort of our homes. It's convenient, it's quick, but it also demands a certain level of financial literacy. Understanding the ins and outs of online banking, from secure transactions to hidden fees, is crucial in ensuring we use these platforms effectively and safely. Then we have digital currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others have burst onto the scene, promising a decentralized and potentially more equitable financial future. But with great promise comes great risk. The volatile nature of these currencies demands that we understand them before diving in. Being financially literate in this digital age means understanding the basics of blockchain technology, the principles of supply and demand in the crypto market, and the potential risks involved. And let's not forget about the countless investment apps available at our fingertips. Apps like Robinhood and E*Trade have democratized investing, making it accessible to the masses. But with this accessibility comes responsibility. Understanding how to navigate these apps, how to read market trends, and how to make informed investment decisions is key. Financial literacy is what separates the successful investor from the reckless gambler. In essence, the more advanced our financial technologies become, the more crucial financial literacy is. It's about more than just understanding money, it's about understanding the systems and technologies that govern it. It's about being able to navigate the digital financial landscape with confidence and caution. In the digital age, financial literacy is not just a skill, it's a survival tool. So, we've talked about why financial literacy is important, but how can you improve your own? Well, improving financial literacy is not rocket science. It's about understanding the basics, being curious, and continuously learning. Let's delve into a few strategies that can help you boost your financial knowledge. Firstly, immerse yourself in financial news. By keeping up with the latest in finance, you can understand how the financial world moves and evolves. Read financial newspapers, subscribe to financial newsletters, or listen to podcasts. This will keep you updated on the trends and make you more comfortable with financial jargon. Secondly, make budgeting your best friend. A budget is a financial roadmap that guides you towards your financial goals. There are numerous budgeting apps available that can help you track your income, expenditures, and savings. This hands-on experience will give you a clear understanding of where your money is going and how you can better allocate it. Thirdly, consider taking online courses or attending workshops. There are countless resources available, many of them free, that can help you understand the intricacies of finance. Websites like Coursera or Khan Academy offer courses on personal finance, investing, and economics. Next, don't shy away from asking questions. If there's something you don't understand, seek out help. Financial advisors, mentors, and even online communities can be great resources to clarify your doubts and increase your knowledge. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Start by making small investment decisions or saving towards a specific goal. As you become more comfortable, you can make more complex financial decisions. Remember, financial literacy is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. With these strategies, you'll find yourself becoming more and more financially savvy. And remember, it's never too late to start. The important thing is to take that first step towards financial literacy. Remember, improving your financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Take it one step at a time. Well, that wraps up our discussion on why financial literacy matters more than ever. We've journeyed through the basics, understanding how knowledge of finance can significantly impact our lives. We've seen how vital it is in this digital age, where transactions are increasingly virtual, and the need to be financially literate is ever pressing. We've also explored ways to improve our financial literacy, empowering ourselves to make informed decisions and secure a better financial future. It's clear that financial literacy is not just a nice-to-have skill. It's an essential tool for navigating the complexities of today's world. It's about more than just knowing how to balance a checkbook. It's about understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it work for you. Thank you for tuning into Houseel Lux Estate. If you found this video helpful, show your support by subscribing to our channel. Stay financially savvy, and we'll see you in the next video.